What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Taking a look at Casper this morning. It's the 11th of July. CSPR USDT will be the chart, guys. Daily chart, tradingview.com. Welcome to the channel. All of the new subs. Appreciate you guys checking out these crypto videos. So what's going on here with Casper? We'll take a look at Bitcoin as well in today's video. So taking a quick jump back to the last Casper video, I left a couple things on the chart. I left this whole consolidation here highlighted for a reason, as well as this one. So we actually pulled back yesterday. Our low for the day was 361.0361. My blue line on the chart is actually at 0.0361. So we pulled back to this whole consolidation area. There is a lot of previous trading in this area, a lot of potential support here at this whole area. Basically 370, 65, 63, and 361. That's where the price pulled back yesterday. Judging by the candle wick, that is probably going to be a good area of support for a while. This is a very nice candle to see. We're moving higher today off of 370. We're up 1.3%. So that is all good things to see. If we take a look back at the previous consolidation, basically we'll take the swing high to the swing low. It's about a 52% move from high to low. If we take a look at where we're currently at to our swing high to our swing low, it's about a 43 or so. So just about a 10% difference there on that pullback. So we'll see. We could go lower, but like I said, I think this area is going to hold. Keeping our eye on Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Bitcoin real quick. BTC. So Bitcoin is fading. Actually was up a little bit more this morning than where it's at now. So far, our top came in at 31,573. We have a lot of support right here. Basically 30, 234, 186, 141 are all the areas I have on my chart. So obviously we'll see if that holds. It's the upper end of this range here, so resistance potentially turning into support here. Let's look at upper targets for Bitcoin real quick. So obviously we have to get above 31,573. A break above that takes us all the way up to 34,293. So we'll have to see what happens if that does take place. If that takes place, there's a good chance we'll see a higher Casper. I don't think we go straight up from here. Unless Bitcoin breaks out big to the upside, there's more than likely going to be a sideways to choppy market for many months, potentially into September, before we see a big move like that take place. If Bitcoin is up multiple percent out of nowhere, you know, we should see that be reflected in the Casper price. But if we take a look at Casper's history, I mean, this thing can basically trade sideways for multiple months at a time before making moves, you know, 60 to 70 days, 2 to 3 months or so trading sideways. After this big sell-off that took place right here for Casper, I mean, we went sideways for over 2 months. So if we take basically where so far the bottom is and we go out a few months, I mean, you're into, you know, the middle to early September. So more than likely, unless Bitcoin takes off like a rocket, that is probably what we'll see there for Casper. If Bitcoin gets smacked hard and breaks lower, well, Casper is heading back lower to the 334 level. You can see we have basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times of support at that 334 area. That is this line right here. So that would put the price down another, call it 12%. So that is pretty much my thoughts here on Casper. You know, unfortunately, price doesn't go up every day. Fortunately, you're getting a 40 plus, call it 42, 43% discount right now from where the top came in, and the top came in right at one of our levels, which is 628. It tried multiple times, and the party was over. A slow and steady trend to the downside, right back to this whole area of previous resistance that did break out to the upside. So that is my thoughts, guys. Not too much going on here in the market. Not every day is a big green up day, but to enjoy those big green up days, you have to be long. And if you're a dollar cost average guy, then here, I mean, there is no other time. This is your time. If you believe in this project that it's going higher over time, well, from basically a few months ago, you're getting a 40+% discount. So that is not too bad. We're still in this giant range here. We've been in this range for a very, very long time. We're back in it. We did make a new high, but we're obviously back in this range. I mean, we've been in this range for, you know, since back in 2022. It's been a very long, long time. But things take time. If you are familiar with the Ripple SEC lawsuit, you know, we're well over two plus years now. So things take much longer than, you know, we anticipate. But it is nice to see the price find support here at the 361, which is this area, which we spoke about in the last video. There's potential for the price to pull back in here. And, you know, more than likely, it's a choppy sideways market for a while before probably getting a footing and moving higher. But, you know, that can all change pretty quick depending on what Bitcoin does. So this SEC lawsuit for Ripple and XRP can you know, pave the way, make or break the crypto market for the long term, and, you know, and or when the news breaks for the short term. So who knows? We'll see what happens here. It's pretty annoying, but what are you going to do? It's basically out of all of the investors in the community, in the crypto market, control. So we just wait here. And maybe some of you are accumulating, maybe some of you have moved on, but time will tell. So that's my thoughts. I think we have found a bottom for a while for Casper, judging by the candle, as well as judging by this previous area here. I think it's a solid floor of support. We have a bunch of levels: 370, 6563, and 614. Casper. Let me know your thoughts on Casper in the comments. You know, I think long term, do very well, especially buying at these levels. But hey, it's not financial advice, and of course, I may be wrong, guys. You guys have a good one. Later.